Conferences are incredibly important for your business, especially since the world is opening up after being stuck inside during the pandemic. Whether you work in marketing, sales, or operations, conferences are so crucial because of the partnerships you can create and the deals you can find. But now, conferences are a little different of a ball game than what most people are used to. Many people jump into the elevator pitch and they don't even know the first thing about starting a good conversation. And many professionals try to have good conversations, but they don't know the first thing about active listening. And many want to take, but they're not ready to give. So to help professionals avoid all these pitfalls or mistakes, I've created a program to help people go from zero to hero in the conferences game. My program covers 1, mindset, how to have a giving mindset and still make a profit. 2, conversation starters, how to come off natural. 3, effective conversations, how to use active listening, body language, and good questions to your advantage. And 4, the elevator pitch, how to make your story short, sweet, and irresistible. Change your career today with this 4-part program.